These are the high-rise elevators at the Bank of America Plaza in Tampa, Florida. ThyssenKrupp destination dispatch. We're going up to 41. Here we are at 41. Now we're gonna go back down to the lobby. Elevator K. We are here at the end of the day, so hopefully we don't catch anyone going down. We didn't. Here's your cab view. This elevator serves, I believe, 32 through 41. So everything up through 31 is an express zone. ThyssenKrupp traditional. Putting us back on K, so we're just gonna walk in, walk out. So we're gonna get a different elevator. Notice how it says up there. It's gone now, but it was telling you destination's 41. Like normally these are just indicators. That one's burned out, or the elevator might be off. But this one tells you what destinations the elevator is going to. Dual TV screens. Alright, we're going to end it back down at the lobby. I don't mind taking elevator H again. Here's your certificate. And we're stopping.